Hey all QIDI Box users, today I will show you a solution I have created for my daily use with my QIDI boxes and +4 printer to simplify the creation of RFID tags for my non-QIDI filament spools, and will you show it how it works. Here I have a switch to switch on the USB-C power, and it starts immediately. You see now on the screen different possibilities to read tags, write tags, setup, and auto on. Auto on means auto read RFIDs. Here I have one of these RFID. It's a MIFAR 1K Classic tag, which is the only one which is supported by the QIDI boxes. And if I read it, you see here it's an empty tag with generic manufacturer, material unknown, and color unknown. Now we write and tag. For that you need to click on write. You can select the manufacturer. You see I have also customized factors in the list. You can go back. I select filament type. Maybe let us switch to the list. These are the list which is also available in the printer setup. In my setup, what is available in the +4, and I select here the PETG filament, and the color should be maybe blue. And I click then on write tag, and the write was successfully. And if I go back and read the tag, you see the manufacturer is QIDI, material PETG, and the color a dark blue. If you remove the tag or bring it in the area of the sensor, then it automatically reads the tag or stops the reading of the tag. In the setup, you have the possibility to change the language. There are 6 different languages supported. You can select the manufacturer and edit the current list. You can only edit the customized manufacturer. The standard generic and QIDI can't you edit. You can add a new manufacturer. You see the 3 places for a new manufacturer, maybe for 5, and you add here a name for the new manufacturer. Then you have the same possibility for the material. You can edit the material. That means the existing list, that you change the name of a material, or you have also the possibility to add a new material. And here also the same as for the manufacturers, you see the 3 numbers in the list of the available materials. Then we go back. You can also click on factor default. That means the list will then set to the standard of the +4 list, the official filers list, and the same here in manufacturer. If we click on factory default, then all customized manufacturers will be deleted. Or you can do a general factory default. That means all manufacturer, material, and also the calibration setting will be set to the default setting. Yeah, and here we have a manual read tag. That means if you open this, click on read tag. Oh, sorry, read tag, then place the tag to the sensor and you see the information of the tag. And as you can see here, you see also on status BLE ready. That means this solution will support in future also iOS applications, because iOS is not able to read and write MIFA Classic 1K tags. But you can then use this device as an external reader and writer, which you can connect with Bluetooth and use an iOS app to read and write text via Bluetooth and via this device. This device itself is very simple to create. You need only a special ESP32 device. It's called CYD device, and cheap yellow device. It costs mostly about $18 to $20, and I have created a GitHub project for that, where you can use your browser. It must be a Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge browser, and then you can directly program this CVD device with an USB cable connected to your computer with the GitHub web page. You need not to install any Arduino IDE or any other software. You can do it directly with the web page and a USB connection. I will write down in the YouTube description all necessary information you need, also the link to my GitHub, where you can find more information how to create the device, the link to an MakerWorld project site where you can find the STLs for the case for this box, and also on the GitHub you will find all necessary steps to build up the device, what parts you need to buy, and how you bring up this device very easily. So I hope that this project is very interesting for you, and see you next. Bye.